in here to pull the wall together. We got one right here, and we've got them located further down the line, where they're going through the old sill in an attempt to pull it in and get it back in line where it belongs underneath the wall. Over here, we've got a clamp up there, and the clamp has pulled the post in, but the sill didn't go with it. So that's a little discouraging. But as far as our shotcrete is concerned, we're restoring the old stone foundation. We got this side all ready to go, and yesterday we got a batch of mix that was way too wet. Concrete is kind of measured in its by what they call its slump. So if you had a 12-inch high cone of concrete, and you pull the cone off, the slump is how much it drops from 12-inch height. And this was supposed to be a 3-inch slump, and we didn't have a slump cone here, but it was not. It was way more than that. It was really wet, in other words. So it didn't stick to the wall very good, except at the end of the pour, where it started to harden up a little bit more, and we were able to get it to work on this area. We weren't even supposed to do this part of the wall, but in order to avoid sending the whole truckload back, we kind of went over this wall with a base coat or something to make use of it. So anyway, next week we'll try it again, I guess. Over here we did the same thing. You can see how much of it's laying on the ground down there, but we got a little bit of it done here, and the other end over there was completed. Oh, and here's another thing that we're doing today. We're putting these cables in so that this new wall we installed a couple weeks ago stays put, and these cables run back here to what we call a dead man. And the anchor here, the dead man anchor, is a 16-inch diameter hole that's probably about 5 or 6 feet deep, and we filled that with concrete on the first concrete pour, and they are there to make sure that this wall never moves again. So we're taking off for a couple weeks. The owner's gonna do some backfilling and some work around here, and then we'll come back and we'll complete the shotcrete. We had been doing pretty good up until that bad mix came, and then also realized that our pump needed a little repair. This is one of the cylinders off the pump, and you can see the rubber seal on the outside of it is completely blown out, and we didn't even notice it till the end of the job when we tried to clean up the pump, and it wouldn't pump water. So we knew something was wrong, and we tore it apart and found this. So I got some new parts coming. We'll get that fixed too. Learning new stuff.